Okay. No load. You electronics people? You seen an electronics guy with hands like these? Calloused and dirty, and look at those fingernails. Electronics. I know about electricity. I know quite a bit about electricity. If I turn off the switch, the motor stops. Same goes for the valve on a hydraulic circuit. You turn off the switch, the motor stops. Turn on the switch, the motor starts. Not enough conductivity in my skin, in the galvanic response of the saliva on my skin. The big difference between electronics and hydraulics is floor space. In order to do this much work with a hydraulic circuit, you need more floor space. Same with pneumatics. But if you had an electric car, like Magla was saying, or an electric engine in a car powering a fixed displacement pump, a cold start situation, it would take time for the car's engine to pressurize the accumulator and fixed pressure circuit before you could use your secondary control. But it wouldn't take a lot of time, and since you're turning on the pumps in a binary way, like Elton said, you would switch them on like flipping on lights of toggles on a dashboard. Click, 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 and then the 1, the 2, the 4, and the 8 gallon per minute pump fire up. And by the time you get from the first switch to the 4th switch, you're already pressurizing the system. Because even with a large volume accumulator, say you can hold a gallon of fluid in the accumulator, you've only got little tiny lines going from the pumps to that, and all of the capacities of all of the lines from the pumps through the accumulator to the DHT, which is your switching actuator, to the load. All of those things added up don't add up to more than 2 gallons of displacement. At least that's the way I'm thinking of. But don't label me an electronics person. Just because I know electronics doesn't mean that's all I know. See ya. Oh, one other thing. Who needs a battery? Wish I knew where my gator clips were. Oh, what do we have here? A secondary control. You know why? Because the power is generated off-site. So this is secondary. Pressure, voltage, is constant. Current is variable. Whether I have a load or I don't. Oh wait, matey, that's not a switch. This is a switch.
Hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Stinky Whizzleteeth. This is a song about a whale. No! This is a song about being happy. That's right. It's the happy, happy, joy, joy song.
Happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy, joy. Happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy, joy. Happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy, joy. Happy, happy, joy, joy, joy.
I don't think you're happy enough.